3 major mistakes why people fail in dropshipping and how you can fix them. What is up, guys? Ecom Musa here, back with another video. And so let's talk about some mistakes that I've seen a lot of people struggling with, especially starting out with dropshipping. So the first thing I always see is that people are taking the same product, the same niche over and over again. So after years and years, everyone is trying almost the same product, right? So this is like the first thing that you need to think differently. So you can't just go on AliExpress and pick the next product that you think, okay, that might work. Let's say you're saying, okay, I want to sell bracelets, right? Everyone is trying to sell bracelets. That's really hard, especially when everyone is trying to sell the bestsellers they see in AliExpress.com. You need to think a little bit outside of the box and make sure that that product is not saturated in the market, right? So it doesn't make sense when like 1,000, maybe 100,000 of people trying to promote the same product. So you kind of have to think about different ways to find trending products. And when I say trending products, I don't mean that you have to find out the next trend or find something that might work what doesn't exist now. You simply want to make sure if somebody's making money with that product. So you have to do market research, right? So I will never test a product where I'm not sure of that this product is making money actually to someone. So I go ahead and check in Facebook, check on different platforms, check worldwide how is that product performing, in which niche, and also if that product in best case scenario is solving a problem, because that is kind of a easier way to promote products online. Or generally, if you can solve a problem, it is much easier to market as an online marketer in general. So make sure you have good pain point for the product, in that sense that you can really target people that have a problem and you solve it with that problem, with this product. So problem number 2, after product selection, it's really the optimization of your store. So meaning the setup of your store is really important in order to gain trust to your customer. So the main question that you have to ask yourself at the end, after you created your product page, after you created your store, would you buy from that store? Ask that question to yourself, like, and think about it, right? So every little detail that you see on your page, would you still buy it? First of all, you have to ask yourself, would you buy that product? And the other question is, would you buy from that store? And you don't have to ask yourself, you should also ask random people on the streets, it doesn't really matter, friends, family, and ask them, do you like this product? Would you buy it? Would you pay that price? So you have to kind of get into deeper data, you have to get some feedback and also reflect yourself, okay, is that now a good stuff that I could sell? If not, you have to change that and improve your store. It has always to look professional, and the people need to gain trust, right? So focus on features that could eventually gain trust to the customer, and that will increase your conversion rates dramatically. Also, a lot of people asking me, should I do a general store or a niche store? And I definitely recommend general store. My stores are mainly general stores and way more flexible to change products, to test different products. So you're doing yourself a big favor when you start out with a general store. And I would consider a niche store like after I'm making maybe 100,000 in revenue, and build a niche store around that product. Yeah, before that I would really not try to have a niche store, because it's much more work. And in the end, the general store is much easier to maintain, and even to find new winning products, right? So that's my recommendation, but of course it is not the general rule that you follow. It is just something that I found out over the years. It's easier to do. So yeah, I would always suggest a beginner general store. So the last thing is that a lot of people fail in is Facebook ads, or in general. Also, again, they testing 3 products with Facebook ads, and they say dropshipping doesn't work. And that's obviously a lack of mindset, right? You have to understand, can't find within 3 products a product that will make you income, and you have to just simply put some budget in your Facebook ads and that's it. It doesn't work like that. You really have to get out there, work hard to take a lot of different products, to test them with Facebook ads, and then from there on, let's say you tested 20 products, there might be one of those 20 products that you tested a winning product. So it is like digging for gold somehow. But if you do that consistently, so you really have to, I myself, my team, everyone, we have to search all the time new products. We have to test all the time new products. This is how dropshipping works. You can't just lay on one winning product and say, okay, that's it. I have safe income now. That doesn't work like that. You really have to have it in your strategy, product research, product testing, and from there on, you really have to kind of do it every day. So you can't just have 3 products tested and saying dropshipping doesn't work. So my advice, really, if you are, if you want to do it, or if you want to make it happen, really stick to it and just test also products outside of the box. So about Facebook ads, a lot of people are struggling with Facebook ads, and this is mainly because they are, not taking enough knowledge about Facebook ads. In general, it's not that complicated. But obviously, if you do not know what to do, you will fail. So you have to let even the ads run for 2 or 3 days at least to see what is happening, which data you get back from Facebook. And based on that, reading the metrics, the numbers that you get, based on that, you can decide, okay, this product is actually working for that people or not. So these are like, some major mistakes or problems that they cause for beginners in dropshipping, and I hope I could help you with those tips. Make sure you subscribe my channel, check out my Instagram, where you can see also a lot of different progress of my stores, and see you soon.